you guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So this vlog is actually from last month. This is all footage from July. I vlogged like a couple weeks in my life and I realized I forgot to post this video. I felt like I had to like just pop in here and intro this vlog and let you guys know. So if you follow me on Instagram and you saw like stories of this like from last month, it is literally from last month. I still wanted to get this vlog up for you. Anyway, so this vlog is very chaotic, very random. So please don't mind that. Just bear with me. I am still like getting back into vlogging and I feel like I forget to pull up my camera a lot, but I'm working on it. We're getting back into it. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I will see you guys again next week. Enjoy the vlog. Some groceries because we're gonna do sweet potato gnocchi tonight. We'll do some vegan sausage in it because Braden's very hungry today because he ran what, a 6K yesterday.
It's not that much, but
that's a lot considering you don't run and you don't work out. Literally, I could never.
It was fun.
We just got back home and I just changed into something a little more comfy. The sweet potato gnocchi that we like to make, it's literally just sweet potato and flour. Those are the only two ingredients and it's so good. Picked up a bottle of wine, so I'm gonna crack this guy open. Cheers. Okay, so these are all of the potatoes. Then I'm just going to open them up, scoop out the inside.
Nice, good scraping.
Okay, so now we have a big old bowl of sweet potato, and then you literally just add flour. Nico, you're so funny. He's literally begging for more sweet potato. Okay, so this is what it turns into when you just like keep adding flour. Okay, so this is what the gnocchis look like when they're all done and they've all been smashed with a fork. They just look like little baby gnocchis, so cute. This is the pesto sauce. We also made a little salad. Some new pieces from Madrid, so I will show you guys what I got. The first thing I got is this cutie little pearl necklace. Like, how cute is that? The pearls are so tiny. I thought this was so cute. Also got another pearl necklace, a little mini pearl. So cute. I'm obsessed. I feel like these will be cute together as a little set. And then the last thing that I got, how cute. And I like how they have a little pop of silver. I don't really wear much silver, but I feel like this is a cute way to like get a little bit of silver in there. I feel like mixing metals is the way that I would wear silver because honestly, I don't know, I feel like silver just doesn't look that good on me, but it's having such a moment right now, so I feel like it's nice to get a little pop in here and there. I am just sitting down to start work for the day. I made myself a second tea. Also, I was editing this vlog and I completely accidentally deleted off the memory card some of the footage that I had filmed, so kind of sad about that. We got some new rugs for the apartment and they are so gorgeous, so stunning. I really wanted some new rugs for the apartment for the summertime because we just had the same rug for so long. They're so pretty. I will show you guys what they look like. We got our rugs from Boutique Rugs and I've shopped with them before and they just have so many rugs. They have such a wide selection and they also have washable rugs. They have sales going on a lot too and they have very affordable prices, which I love. I will leave a link down below for Boutique Rugs if you guys want to check them out. Thank you so much to them for sending those over. I'm obsessed. I'm not being like paid to say this or anything. Like I just really genuinely love the rugs. Okay, we just vacuumed. We're about to put the rug down. Okay, so this is the new rug for the bedroom. It obviously has to like flatten out a little bit because we just unrolled it. It looks so cute. I love the color and It feels really, really nice, like super soft. So this is how the new rug looks. I'm obsessed with this. This is perfect. And then this is the rug in our living room. But how cute are these? Got like no footage today, but happy Friday. It is the next day. I'm sorry if this camera's really shaky right now. I need to figure out how to turn on the like internal stabilizer thing. I turned it off because I was playing with it and now I forgot how to turn it back on. So I'm so sorry if this is very shaky footage. But hello, this is a very rushed little hello because we have to leave right now. We have a rental car downstairs. My brother is driving us. We're going to Kingston and then to Ottawa for the weekend. So I figured I'd bring you guys along. Also, I just got this new jacket in from Pretty Little Thing and it is so cute. I'll try to link it for you guys if I can find it. We got the bags packed. Don't mind Miko's kibble all over the floor. I need to clean that. He always leaves his kibble everywhere. But anyway, got the bags packed. Miko's about to see his best friend Toby. They're besties, and he hasn't seen him in like a few weeks because he lives in Kingston. There he is! Look how excited he is. Okay, I just pulled out a bunch of ingredients to make some wraps for lunch. Hey guys, it's a little bit later. There is like a major storm that is coming in right now. It like is actually insane. Look at this. So I decided that I'm not gonna leave my house because this is terrifying.